Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the basic strokes in pencil calligraphy. What are they? They are upstroke, downstroke, overturn, underturn, compound curve, oval, ascending loop and descending loop. So this one is upstroke. Let's do the downstroke, overturn, underturn, compound curve, oval, ascending loop. Now descending loop. So these are the basic strokes. Let's do the slanted version of them. Always remember to do the upstrokes thin, and when you go down, make the stroke thicker. If you learned something new today, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.